Gentlemen, the young population is getting it because of lifestyle of the person. Agree with number 10 that the young population is getting
they are living lives because we can see that today's generation they are like there is a parents pressure
in their lifestyle. There is a lack of physical activities and they are
more independent in the study. So as there is also parents pressure and peer pressure on the students, so now they are more indulging into the studying and they are not focusing on the physical activity.
I think and the disease by which the young generation is.
Yes, I totally agree with the idea of chess number one that I think technology main reason for this.
Also waking up early in the morning.
The parents are not getting the era of technology. If you see the era of technology, every person is using technology.
While discussing on the disease by which the young generation is get affected are like obesity and like other psychological diseases.
Obesity because they are so much of junk food.
No,
because of that they are being obese.
I would like to add
this
one
with
point
number
to
10 that
42, like the main most of the diseases are obesity and the viral infections, and the viral infections are because of the lack of immunity.
But generally, you cannot say that it's because
their
of
lifestyle, because they are
long-term diseases like cancer and all.
We can reduce many body diseases with the good lifestyle. We can see that many of us many youngsters are waking up to the night.
But the reason behind the lifestyle is also the technology. They have suffered from obesity, their phones, laptops, and etc.
Want to add some point on chess number 16 that as the young generation is more involved in study, they are not following a proper lifestyle.
We can see that in this era, like every person is using technology, like in every kind of small household work. Like if they have to.
Like they are not promoted to play sports, and in the school.
But the main reason behind the not playing the sports is that the technology. Because they usually using their phones and laptops. Don't want to play out.
According to me, it is because they are eating so much of junk food. They are not taking proper diet. They are not taking vitamins.
Disagreeing with chess number 26 that he has meant that their lifestyle is not that because they are not having proper equipments. I think in running there is not a need of proper equipment.
No, I am saying that not proper equipment. I am saying that they are busy in technology, phones, laptops.
As chess number 10 has mentioned about junk food, I would like to say that if the lifestyle of the person will be good, he will not be attracted towards junk food. If he is indulged in sports activities and other physical activities.
But gentlemen, if you see that if a person is living a healthy lifestyle, even after that he can order some food online. Junk food.
But if someone is not playing the sport rather than he is on technology based, so he should not eat junk food because it will affect their mental and physical fitness as well. It is not necessary.
But
as we see that many generation is totally intent about the study, so they don't care about the mental or
according to me, the technology is the main spoiler, as the parents are not aware about the children what they are watching on their laptops, and they are the according to me. Yes, I agree with chess number 26. Like we see in this era, no kid want to use cycle and all.
Because
they want bikes and
spending
bikes
most of
and
the
cars
time.
and all to go
They are
like
spending
anywhere.
most of the time instead of going in outdoor activities. They are doing in electronic devices. This is also due to the lifestyle also.
What he will see on the social media, he will like it's a loop. So he will get trapped in it, and he will not.
I agree with you.
But
If he change the person's lifestyle, then he will control over both the technical issue and both the junk food.
Yeah, if he will work on his lifestyle, like he will meditate and run and do other physical activities, so it will clear his mind.
But gentlemen, if you can see today's time, like every person is using technology in his household. Well, like they are using for washing clothes. Yes, I totally agree with chess number 1. That the person
Yes, I think
but you have to do some physical activities at
I think
or in household work. Like if you wash your clothes on.
Chess number 1, I
like
think
it can be like go with the healthy lifestyle.
Disagree with chess number 1 that washing your clothes on is not a major activity because it is going to save
Not
time.
only washing clothes,
washing
it is an example for that.
It is going to save energy and time.
I would like to add the point that it is not the technology which are harming the cycle. It is the lifestyle and the junk food they are
technology are
consuming.
going to help the young
I would like to add one point that in today's world we cannot avoid the technology. So we should have to deal it with.
But it would be in proper
you
improvement.
should avoid the technology, but at some part you should avoid for a little time. Like if you want to,
I totally agree with the idea of chess number 1 that we should
go bicycle, motorcycle.
I think technology can use to save their time and they can do.
We can go for
I
running,
think
go to
gentlemen,
gym, and
if
we
you
can
are
also go
saying
for
that
the
we
physical
should,
fitness.
But instead of going at some place, you can go. If you do the household like earlier
Yeah,
times,
yeah,
like
it will also help the person
what
with the
people
house
used to do,
also.
they used to do a
Chess
household
number
work
one,
and they were fit
for that,
without any kind of
household activities are more than
exercises.
any other work for just you perform
You
your
are
work.
saying that doing household work can improve their life.
I think gentlemen,
can
I would
improve
like
their
to have a
lifestyle.
point that
But if you are doing household, how you will find the time to the work, different works if you are studying?
Yes,
and
but
doing-
But we have to do it.
I'm not saying like you only indulge in the household
Yeah.
work. Like at some point you can also use
Like
technology.
in lifestyle, we can add points that he has to meet his friends also to have spend time with friends. He has to improve his
He should
lifestyle.
go outside and-
But you can see that like every
and
person
improve-
want to make
He
friends
can,
on the
he can improve
online.
his daily
Like,
lifestyle by
And
like
gentlemen,
walking
there should
early,
be also
going on a
proper
jog or
monitoring by the
run,
parents, like what their children is doing
eating
and what
healthy
is the
foods,
lifestyle
like
of their
eating.
children.
but this can
Healthy
also be
things also.
also can be done with the technology to like parents can see observe their kids that how frequently they are using the cell phones and all.
Yeah, they can.
Agreeing
they
with
can
the idea of chess number 1 from
by
technology,
using
they
the
mostly get
technology,
influenced
like
by the
they can
rich
set
people
limit
and
of
change
using
their
the
life
phone.
different problem.
Yeah, I am agree to chess number
yes,
one. The
agree
parents
with chess
can
number
use the
one.
technology to monitor their child. Like they can put a limit in the phone, so like how many hours they can watch, and also they can monitor the watch time of their children, like what they are using the most. So it will be helpful. It will be helpful for the parents and the
As
children
gentlemen,
also.
we are
No, I
discussing
think
on
so
the
it's
As gentlemen, I
we
would
are
like to
discussing
add
on
a
the
point
topic
that
that
parents should also check on their what the kind of food they are eating, so that it can help in both their technologies they are using and both lifestyle as they are chess
And
number.
But the
if we-
solution
it is
of the
mentioning
adding
in the
to
sports
chess number
activities
10
also.
Adding
So
to
according
chess
to me,
number 10, that if the parents are if the parents will motivate the children from early childhood to eat healthy, then the children will not be attracted towards junk food. So
And we should
parents
So it is
should-
because of the main reason that they are not
junk
good.
food is only the part of a lifestyle only
Parents
because we
play-
can see that the
parents play
technology
key role in the lifestyle of a
digital
child.
lifestyle. I think that getting a lifestyle better, like we can
and
reduce
also
the screen time
gentlemen,
and we should not
children should be motivated enough to correct his lifestyle in the schools, also in the environment, in the peer pressure. Like all the friends are preparing for JEE and NEET.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yeah, we should
according to
convey
like
on
other
that
means,
how
friends
to
are
study
according to
on
the
the
social media.
Discussing on the topics on what issues the a younger one is getting ill is that like in lifestyle some of the people are getting some of the young ones are losing weight and others are getting
most of the cases of
obese. It
illness
is
is because of the unhygienic food that are processed in the factories and that sell in the
Unhealthy
supermarkets, and they are eating packaging food, packaged
and
food.
generally
very good.
partially
is,
agree with you, but we can also go for like
to improve the lifestyle of a person, we should
many needless
include
friends
some
or UP friends, they
activities
are
in the
studying
school.
only
For technology, the person should be surrounded by the particular area. He should watch the parents should use the proper apps to visit the
pressure.
What we are
due to some viral infection, but we can see that when someone is using the technology excessively, so he can be he can be motapa, which is a fatness or long term.
He can lose his eyes or he can
rectify all of those diseases like long term diseases, and also it can affect the mental health also.
Agree
Like
with
if some,
Get someone in the
agree with the idea of chess
like
number 1.
they
We can also help the
they are only doing what which are they are watching on social media.
You can also solve eye problems and different problems.
Only because we use technology in day-to-day life. So it's,
But
I think
technology
it's
is a part that can
naturally.
despoil
It's a very
their
better
lifestyle also.
Like reducing the
I
screen
think
time
to
and
curb
go
this
for
problem
that.
of technology, you should have to go outside and
Yes, agree
do
with
physical
that.
activity.
We
That's
should
I
how
think
we
we
make
should
it.
So the proper
physical
like
activity from they should have a healthy food so that they can maintain their bones. So they should be
proper parenting should be held so that the
Till the youngster age, he
So
will get to know
one reform
about that
can
what
be
is
made
wrong,
that
what is
instead
right
of
for that.
avoiding the technology, we can like use it wisely, and we can also
Yeah,
teach the
it
kids
can-
yeah,
how to
proper
use it
parenting
better.
should be attempted so that what his son is watching on that phone and laptops.
Technology also and also the junk food. If we keep them in balancing way, then we just.
I
But
think
no,
we have
gentlemen,
discussed most
I
of
think
the
we
points
should
and
avoid the
and-
junk food.
One of the
and-
solutions can
it
also
would,
be like
much better.
indulge the child in a creative activities in the school, so it will like open his mind and it will motivate him to go outside and play sports. Like we can in the school also, like most of the children are now going to coaching and they are not going to school, so it cut them off from these activities like dance, singing, and so this is one of the reasons why the lifestyle is changing of the students.
If the person is not busy in technology, he himself will be motivated to opt outdoors.
Keep ourselves indulged in some activities so that we don't misuse and waste our time in technology.
If he is not busy in technology, he will himself move to the outdoor games, so it will automatically increase his lifestyle also.
If we want to solve the problem of technology, the parents should encourage their children to develop new hobbies. So it will divert the attention of the student from only using mobile phones to pursuing something.
I agree with the idea of system.
If a person is not going to spend more time with his friends and relatives, he is going to follow an unhealthy lifestyle, and which is going to ill a younger population in our country. And most of the time, the younger ones are mostly giving their time to education.
And gentlemen, I think that
study
hygiene also
only.
play a key role in the.
I would like to add a point to chess number 42 that he mentioned, like unhealthy lifestyle they are working through, but it can be improved if they are having a proper diet. We can see so many workers are doing their work properly and they are saying
hygienic lifestyle is also a big part of this, because we can see that some people who does not have a cleanliness and unhygienic lifestyle, they are also getting ill. So I think that hygienic
in lifestyle, most of the points are included, like which type of food is having, how much sleep he is going to take, and what types of technological equipments or devices he is spending time.
I agree with the idea.
Schools and colleges should also teach them about what kind of food and also technology can help him.
And also
educating them about
the children should, the student should be indulged in social activities in his neighborhood, so that it will
improve in their psychological health also.
Every individual should balance the time according to their physical activities, and
as our mind is,
they must attend proper grooming classes for their lifestyle and
the hormones
technology
increased in our body, and most of the times due to some hormones the person is getting more obesity, like some goiter disease also, and if a person is going to have a healthy lifestyle, then he is going to reduce the illness in younger population in our country. I think we should and in lifestyles, we can add more points in that.
So I would also like to add a point that if someone is eating junk food, there should be proper check by the government on the stalls that are putting by various people that the food is being not
properly in a hygienic way.
And the quality of the food should also be well, rather than being serving them 12 to 7 days old food. So I think it will.
The government should shut down all the different spoiling servers, so that the children doesn't get spoiled there.
And also there should be awareness about the good lifestyle in the schools and in the society.
And the awareness can be increased by awareing the people, the parents of the younger ones, about what types of a lifestyle should be there in a younger one, that there should be a balance in education and other activities also, and the persons who are having, the younger ones should be getting a proper sleep also, and they are also having some
just number 40, I would like to add a point
also.
that some counseling classes of parents also can be taken in the schools, like how they have to treat their children and all, like about what they have to teach their children about the technology, about the junk food and all.
The school can educate the parents while they are in parent-teacher meetings about the lifestyle in which they should indulge their children,
and to let the better lifestyle. Everyone should work about like moral values, and
there should be also awareness camp
lifestyle
about how to manage studies with the lifestyle, with a good lifestyle. Because most of the students are just studying for
actually I would like to add point
exams.
There should be a balance between
doesn't
studies and physical
include only
activities.
sport activities and physical activities. It also involves so many things. So
gentlemen, I have covered like hobbies also.
In most of the cases during the examination time, most of the younger ones get ill. This is because not of having a junk food. This is because they are having a mental issue of a pressure of studies and paper and exams also, due to which
or that they should perform
and their parents have to take them to the hospital. I think we should proceed with a better lifestyle.
Okay. Now, which were the 3 leads given? Lifestyle. Second was junk food. And third was technology. Now, lifestyle में ये washing clothes वगैरह ये कहाँ से आ गया? Like if you are given an example of,
I was taking regarding technology. Like if you do the household work to avoid some technology, that can help in better.
That is okay. Household work, if you are doing it, then washing clothes etc. That is okay. ठीक है, cloth wash कर लिए etc. That You should only use technology which saves time and
Yes,
not your.
that's why I added the
it should
point
not
to
be
use
a
advisement.
strain on your health. Okay. Now junk food. Now what is happening? Why young generation consuming? You should bring out the regions which are there. What are the regions?
Like
That
it is easily available.
it is first is easy availability.
Yes.
ठीक है. Then
But technology it can be ordered by.
then what is happening? All these microwave etc. which have come, so फटाफट तुमको दे देते हैं. Things are available outside. Now nobody has brought out Zomato और ये जो जल्दी से आ गए, Zomato and Swiggy etc. which has come. उन्होंने वो कर दिया है. So even so what happens nowadays? Because of the nuclear family, if the parents are working, जैसे कि तुम खाना ले लेना, then you basically तुम मंगवा लेते हो, and you get used to it. Now, as far as the technology is concerned, how is technology affecting the health? What is happening?
Mental health. Screen time.
First is screen time is more.
Yes.
Screen time has increased. Now, what has happened during COVID? What has happened? Online classes were there. Screen time has increased. Now here also, what is happening? Most of the things which are there, they are available on net or on everything. Mobile is there. Now you have stopped reading the newspapers. You have stopped reading other things. Even take example of technology. तुम सीधे जिम में भाग जाओगे, वहाँ एक्सरसाइज करके आ जाओगे फटाफट. You will not walk outside. And with the advancement of technology, or you all you have got used to AC etc. बाहर ही नहीं निकलते हो. Temperature बहुत हो गया. Your body should get used to it. So when you speak about the three leads which are there, don't go other than you should not speak. What could have spoken? Instead of getting the remedies, the topic was not asking you about the remedies. Topic was asking you how the generation is getting ill. You should have brought out those points more instead of telling the remedies. Clear? Good. This time the participation was good. Any other questions?
Luxury and lifestyle, both the technology.